Okay, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for your weather outlook for May the 26th, 2017. Taking a look at what we're going to see Saturday. First, we'll say Friday. Friday's looking good. Sunshine. No real threat for storms on the eastern seaboard. But when we get into Saturday, we are going to have an increased chance of severe weather, possibly a severe weather outbreak that would launch from Texas all the way to Virginia, North Carolina, West Virginia, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Arkansas, parts of Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Kansas. There's areas such as D.C. and Baltimore, up into Delaware that are in a marginal risk. This could turn into a slight risk at some point, and it could be further north, depending on where the front is, with the marginal risk going into the Jersey area. We'll have to see what happens. This will be for damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes. Straight off the board, we're looking at a very active pattern for Saturday, and that's the day we're really looking at the potential of severe weather. Taking a look at now some of the computer model data, we're going to look at the reflectivity, and you see the storms and showers do calm down for Friday. And Saturday, we get the chance of storms firing up, especially towards the mid to late afternoon. Some will be supercellular. And Saturday night, we have even a bigger issue, as well as Sunday, with a chance of severe weather. Of course, this is not 3K, so you can't get really strong look at it, but just an idea of what could be coming this way. So we take a look at the shearing levels. What can we see shear-wise? And we head to Saturday, because Saturday is the day we're going to start this potential. And look at the greens. Whew. It's a big start for Saturday when you get greens like that. We move on here, and it gets pretty strong. That's why I'm going to be pushing two different levels here, and this is Sunday. Saturday and Sunday look pretty interesting. First one, Saturday, tornado probability, definitely there. We have change with winds with height. We have almost 3,000 cape available. We have 2 in the STP, 1.5 in a ship. So definitely over 3 kilometers, over 200. These are different things that you have to watch out for. Nice turning with the wind with height. So that being said, Saturday could be an issue here in the Roanoke and Southwest Virginia. And then you go into Sunday, and not much changes, except for the potential with surface cape of 4,400. Change with the winds with height, nice rotating thing, nice critical angle. Just not good for that. And we're talking about 3 on the ship scale, 2.5. So Sunday would look like another potential day for tornadic thunderstorms. And we're almost to 300 on a 3 kilometers to surface shear. So these are some definite issues for the weekend. Memorial Day weekend, so we got to watch out very closely for this. So I'll move a little further. Like I said, this is Roanoke, and then it pushes towards the eastern part of Virginia. And I think we'll look at that. I always like looking at different areas, because people are going to be going towards the beach, and that's why it's important that I go over the beach. And once again, tornado potential there, 4,000 cape. These are storms that are very likely to become severe and possibly tornadic. STP. We'll look at the significant tornado perimeter. That always is good to look at. Oh yeah, it increases pretty good. Saturday, like I said, we got some good STP down here in the Roanoke area of between 2.5 and 3. And then in the Sunday, it's just worse. We're talking about 3 to 4. There we go. Trying to get between it. Yeah, so 3 to 4 in the STP. for the day on Sunday. So both times looking pretty good for the potential severe weather and significant tornado parameter at the same time. So, like I said, there will be some interesting stuff going on. I'm just going to pull the 2 points up. And you can see what's going to happen here. The stronger 60s and upper 60 dew points pushing into the area with a nice low-level jet stream. So that's that. If I come up to a higher level, remember that's out of the south and southeast. I'm going to take a look at what we're going to look like above, which is going to be the west. Good rotation. Jet stream comes across. This is actually aiming for a very good chance of a tornado to occur. So, something definitely to look out for. We're talking to GFS now because we don't just go by one model. That was the NAM. This is the GFS. And I'm going to back this up here. I'm going to watch the temperatures. I don't like watching the temperatures. I'm going to go right to the potential, severe weather potential. And much like the previous, Saturday and Sunday are going to be the days for tornadic potential. Guaranteed. With the higher and stronger potential. I'm also going to put Sunday up here. Like I said, the blues and above so far this year have produced this, and also GFS, tornado potential. 5,000 Cape in Roanoke. 5,000 Cape. Ships at 3.3, CPs 2.6. So, 5,000 surface Cape. That's a lot of energy, people. And Sunday's a little less than the GFS, but also has that nice critical angle. So, both days, very strong chance of tornadic potential. And this is what we're looking at for the weekend. So, a crazy weekend coming up. Potential for severe weather outbreak and tornadoes here in the east, especially Virginia, North Carolina, up to as much as DC, and I do see some storms getting into New Jersey, some southern Pennsylvania, so with the new model runs. So be prepared there also. With the more severe weather, the highest potential further down here. In the Southwest Virginia, Central Virginia, Eastern Virginia area for Sunday. Memorial Day don't look too bad, but getting to that point may be. We'll talk to you again a little bit later. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, please prepare now for Saturday. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.